I didn't come here to give you another ticket.
Praise Jesus.
Howdy, y'all. Yeah, I'm talking to you, all sitting down there looking at me, looking at this flame. Flame kind of represents life. You see how it moves around? Things work and things don't sometimes, and then it just goes out. Just like that.
So, Jack, somebody handsome man such as yourself is not hitched.
Oh, well, you know, I kind of like the hunting and fishing life. It's hard to find somebody to go along with that.
You just need a nice country girl like me.
Well, I do like Thelma Lou now, but she's got to know how to cut and grind, if you know what I mean.
Well, alrighty then.
Wilma has been pissing off people in this town for close on 30 years now. So it would surprise me if she got under somebody's skirt and they finally did something to her, if you know what I mean.
This is no laughing matter. We have 4 missing persons here.
Whoa, wait a minute now. I didn't mean it like that. I hope she's okay.